Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel, the EM Trader. So yesterday what we have discussed how analysis has been worked, we can see in Dow Jones you can see that what we have expected is that slightly gap up or it will open flat. Okay guys, you can see that how bullish this green candle is that. Okay guys, after that you can see that exactly here only it taken a support. Okay guys, it taken support. After that if you have buyed here future or something, or you have shorted your put, you have sold the put after the 330 331, you have shorted all the puts, then you have got very nice trade because this gone a very sideways market of you have buyed a future also, future of Dow Jones, then also you have got very nice trade up till here. Okay guys, our first target is easily reached. Okay guys, we can see next Nasdaq 100 also. In Nasdaq 100 also you can see that very big gap up has been happened. So what we have analysis is that if it will be open flat or something, then only we can go for bigger targets. Okay guys, after that you can see that what happened is that it taken here somewhere supporting area, then it is continuously making upside momentum, but it taking a resistance from here. Okay guys, right now also it taking resistance. Right now it came down once again. Right now it is in the resistance only. Okay guys, we can see in Russell 3000 also. In Russell 3000 you can see here what we have discussed, it's slightly only, you can see that how big this green candle has been made in. Okay guys, after that it crosses its high, you can see that how nicely it maken. After that you can see here also it is continuously taking here only support. Okay guys, right now it is taking support. Yesterday is fully like a sideways market only for us. So if you have shorted your puts from out of the money, so you have got very nice trades. Okay guys, nice profit also because of theta decay. You can see that it is respecting our resistance area, taking continuously resistance in SPX also. Okay guys, in HGX also it is continuously consolidation only, nothing big move has been came here. Okay guys, we can see in Tesla also. Okay guys, in Tesla also what we have discussed is that if it will take a resistance from here, it will goes downside. If it will take here somewhere support, okay guys, then only we can go for our first target, but it continuously traveled as a sideways market only. Okay guys, in Apple also we can see what I have told you. In Apple also, if it will somewhere take support here or open flat and take support here, then we can expect the big move. But what happened, gap up. After that the how index has behaved, like that only Tesla and Apple stock also samely behave. Okay guys, right now we can see what will be today's market will be happen. Okay guys, okay guys, now we can see today's analysis how the index can behave. In Dow Jones also you can see that it is continuously acting as a resistance. I will just shift this line so we can get that correctly a supporting area. Okay guys, right now what is it's doing is right now is taking resistance. Okay guys, so it continuously taken two times resistance. Okay guys, right now if it will open flat and take support somewhere here, your first target will be this, second target, third, fourth and fifth target. Okay guys, and you can see that if it opens slightly gap up, then it taken a somewhere here support. Okay guys, taken a support somewhere here, then your first target, second target, third and fourth target. Okay guys, you can go for these target. And also you can see that today also behave like a sideways market only, so you have to wait patiently and see the price action. Okay guys, if you don't know price action, go and check out my playlist also. I have mentioned you all the things what happened in sideways market, how you have to take a trade in sideways market and how to not trade. Okay guys, if it will slightly open a gap down or take here resistance, then you can go for your first target guys, second target guys, third target, and your last target will be fourth target guys. These are the four target and it will be act as a supporting area. Okay guys, supporting and resistance both. Okay guys, so like this you can see in Dow Jones. In Nasdaq also we can see that it is right now also taking a resistance only. So if it will act as resistance, then your first target will be this, second target. Okay guys, this will be third target, this will be fourth and fifth, guys. This is the final target, fifth target, and you can see here what happened is that this is the main thing here. Okay guys, this is act as supporting area. Once again, what I have to tell you is that because of whenever open gap up or somewhere, so this swing, this is acting as resistance, this will act as support. So you can see that it exactly taken here only support and goes upside momentum. Okay guys, like these small points are there. I have to tell you about this, so I will tell you also, and I will make separate video also of this. Okay guys, after that we can see in upside momentum also, if it will open gap up or something, if we take support, then we can go for first, second and our three targets. Okay guys, if open slightly gap up and take support here only. Okay guys, otherwise it will maybe today also see the consolidation phase only. Okay guys, in Russell 3000 also you can see that it is right now in a very nice place, and right now it is in a supporting area. Okay guys, if it open a slightly or gap up or taken support from here, your first target will be second target, third and fourth target. Okay guys, otherwise you can also see that if open a slightly gap up, then this will act as your support. Okay guys, this will act as a support area. Okay guys, if it will take support here, then you can go for first, second and third target. Okay guys, like this small points are there, you have to learn. Okay guys, if it will take somewhere here resistance, just a second guys. Okay, right now if it will take a resistance from here, your first target, second target and your final target will be third target. Okay guys, you also see that this is the major supporting area, so you have to considerably seeing that this is the supporting area, act as supporting area, so it will be reversible from here. Okay guys, we can see in SPX 500. Okay guys, this is acting as resistance only right now also. So if it opens slightly gap up or gap down, then you can see that our first target, second target and third target. Okay guys, in upside momentum also we can see if open a slightly gap up, then it takes support somewhere here, then our first target will be this, second target and our third target. Guys, these are the three target. Okay guys, in HGX also we can see that it is act as a resistance. Okay guys, right now it will act as resistance. Okay guys, so right now it is, what it is doing is it is right now in a just a supporting area. If it will take support somewhere here, then your first target, second target and you can go for further fourth target also. Okay guys, if it will take a resistance from here or its break its low, then your first target will be this, second target, third target somewhere here. Okay guys, third target, fourth and fifth target. Okay guys, these are the downside target. Okay guys, this will act as a supporting area right now for us. Okay guys, these are the target for downside. We can see now Tesla. In Tesla also it is continuously consolidating right now, and it breaks our trend line too, but right now it is acting as a resistance from here only. So what we have to do is that we can just see this area. If it will break, then go for your upper side target. These are the first, second, third and fourth target. It will act as major resistance area. If it will break, then it will give us very nice upside momentum. Okay guys, otherwise it will came downside and taking support from this trend line, and then also you can go for your first target, second, third target. Okay guys, in downside also if it came a downside or open gap down, then this is your first target, second and third target. Okay guys, we can see next Apple also. In Apple you can see that it continuously consolidating right now, and it is acting as a resistance also, one of the major resistance area. Okay guys, this is the one of the major resistance area right now what we are seeing. So if it will act as a resistance, then go for your first, second and third target. Okay guys, if it open gap up and then taken a support, then your first target will be this, second target and third target. Okay guys, these are the three target for Apple also. You can also go and check out my forex channel also. I have also given in Telegram channel link in the description also. Guys, I have told you I am bullish in euro, and you can see that in forex trade also euro is booming right now. Okay guys, euro is dominating right now, so go and check out that trade also. Thank you guys.